Oh, you good? He going down. Hey, look, this hill right here, impossible hill climb. Hey, go ahead and get it for the YouTube, man. You gotta bang it out. You gotta come up this motherfucker. Hey, look, this right here is steep as hell. I come through here on the Blaster Plum slide when it was wet like it.
Yeah.
Dang, the motherfucker. Hey, it cut off. I'm gonna have to drift it back, get off of it.
Oh, damn.
Oh! Damn. It's slippery out here. We just had a real bad storm. Hey, you gotta ride it up here now. You gotta bang it out. You gotta bang that shit out. Bang it. Bang it. Bang it. Bang it. Bang it. Oh, shit. God damn. Look, that some bitch get sideways in the same spot. Yep.
I gotta get out this red mud.
You want to try one more time or you done with that shit?
No, you about to kill my damn self.
Nah, I said, look, you go down. We'll meet you on the other end to help bring you out. If you don't want to come up this hill.
I ain't gonna make it up here. That shit too wet. For me? Okay. I'll see y'all in a minute.
Okay. You know where to come out round, don't you? Hey, you had it though, man. That shit just got, that shit took you to the side right there, man. I hit that damn log too coming up. Just turn the front wheel now and go with it. Yep. ATV Riders of VA, man. We out here with Preston Boy Corn Vlog. Jody got the dirt bike. It's muddy out here. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Hey, this right here is true story, ain't it? It's real. Hey, shit, what do you call it? The soup right there. Yeah, man, but shit, that's why I dang on it. Look, I gotta give me some tires, man. I've been sliding. It's fun, but when you get sideways, man, it's slippery around that end too.